Citizenship Act 1955. Here, the most highlighting point is that Citizenship Act 1955 is a main controlling law for deciding questions regarding nationality in India, and documents such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID does not itself make any sense to make anyone citizen of India. Here, indigenous commercial Earth observation satellite constellation, the Indian National Space Promotion Authorization Center announced the selection of Pixel Space India led consortium to design, build, and operate India's first fully indigenous commercial Earth observation satellite constellation under the public-private partnership model. Why do the two sides of the moon look different? Here, the NASA's Grail mission recently reported small month-to-month changes in the moon's gravity caused by tides on the Earth. Now, this can be substantiated with different reasons, and two reasons can be that there is evidence that moon's interior is not uniform. So, near side seem to be warmer, softer, slightly molten, and researchers predict that temperature difference can be 100 to 200 degrees Celsius between the hemispheres. India milk production. Uttar Pradesh is the largest milk producer in the country, followed by Rajasthan. And total milk production is 239.30 million tons, and 53% of the total milk produced is contributed by cows, while buffalo's share is 43.62%. The reason Darfur region facing double catastrophe as the country's worst cholera outbreak. Remember, reason in news regarding cholera outbreak in the war-torn Sudan. Syria waterfall is in Andhra Pradesh. So, waterfall in news. Extended producer responsibility. It is a kind of policy approach that makes producer responsible for environmental impacts of their products throughout their entire life cycle, including the post-consumer stage. Chola Gangam, locally known as Ponneri, dug by Rajendra Chola to celebrate his northern campaign. Now he erected liquid pillar of victory in his capital with waters of Ganga in the form of the tank Chola Ganga. Satpura Tiger Reserve located in the Madhya Pradesh. Here it is alter magnet. Researchers in Kolkata reported the compound chromium antimony is the first alter magnet to display direction dependent conduction polarity. So it is a new kind of polarity. Now, significance of this is that it is easy synthesis composition of abundant elements not rare kind of elements. And switchable polarity makes it a promising platform for future electronics such as thermoelectrics, where single crystal can act as both halves as p and n type pair. You have to learn this much, that what kind of technology it is, that it is a direction dependent conduction polarity, and what will be the significance of this direction dependent conduction polarity invention. A muon is a subatomic particle similar to electron but with much heavier, classified as a lepton. It's created when cosmic rays interact with Earth's atmosphere. And these properties of muon is that they are unstable, decaying into electrons and neutrons after about 2.2 microseconds. Small Industries Development Bank of India, set up on 2nd April 1990 under the Act of Indian Parliament, act as a principal financial institution for promotion, financing and development of the micro, small, medium enterprise sector, as well as for coordination of functions of institutions engaged in similar activities. Here the National Livestock Mission Scheme is a flagship scheme implemented by, remember, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India since 2014 and 15. The objective of this mission is to achieve the following objectives. This is employment generation, create job opportunities through development of various sectors like small ruminant, poultry, piggery and feeder production, and including risk management, promoting livestock insurance to safeguard farmers against unforeseen risk.